Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. I want to show you guys a quick video of what I was able to pick up that's still working for the glitch. I did two different transactions, so I found that it was still working yesterday, maybe around 3:30ish, because when I did my haul yesterday around 1:30 it wasn't working. So around 3:30 I saw Lorena did a live, and then shortly after that I saw Michelle also did a live talking about that it's still working. So on my way from work, I stopped by the store. They didn't have all the same products for the $6 coupon, but I wanted to show you guys what I grabbed and what is working and what is still printing. So if you guys are new, welcome. Just go ahead and take a moment to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up. I don't remember where I left off. Mommy life happens. All right. So this is the deal that I did yesterday. These are the products that I picked up. The Crest scope. This is $4. This is also $4. Also $4. All different barcodes. All different products. I was kind of surprised because I was ready to pay $10 in Walgreens cash, because I thought that the coupon wouldn't come off, and it did. And I also picked up this toothbrush that was $3.50. So it was just me giving it a try after I picked up everything that could work. But there were some things I did pick up where the coupon didn't come off, which is why I still had it on this account here. So here are the two register rewards. Same thing here. So here are the products that I picked up yesterday around 4:56 on my way home from work. And then so the toothbrush here, the Crest, as you guys can see, they're all different products. And then I use a $4 store coupon that I got from the Colgate here, and then that $6 coupon did come off. So $5.50 was my subtotal. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay the 50 cents out of pocket, and then I did get back both of those here. So really good deal there. The other items that I picked up was, I did 2 of the mouthwash and I believe 2 of the toothpaste, and the $6 coupon didn't come off there for me. So be careful there. So it's just trial and error. So we're just gonna try it to see what's working. So this one I did today. After I saw Michelle went live, I'm actually about to send these pictures to her so she can post them and to her community as well. But as you guys know, all of these is always just trial and error. So this is what I picked up today. I picked up this Crest here. This was the only one they had left, and I was so iffy about this because I didn't know if it was gonna work. So I just said, you know what, let me go ahead and pick it up. I went ahead and picked this one up here. They were $4. They were $4 each. And then I went ahead and I picked up the floss. My store had 3 of the floss, but I did not want to waste the time. Plus I don't really like these, and they're not like a good seller for me. Maybe I just don't know how to use them properly. I don't know, but I don't like these. But anyways, so I went ahead and picked those up. And then as a filler item, I went ahead and I added the Colgate there too for $3, and I still had a $3 digital on this account. By the way, this is not my account. It's my friend's account that I use at my will and pleasure. So there it is. So today, $8.24, $5.22. As you guys can see, it is the employees discount, 15% off. So if you don't have that, these items would be $4 each. But again, I went ahead and I used that. So here are the products that I grabbed. If you guys want to shop these, if you have them, but I doubt that your store is going to have the exact same products. Here's the Colgate right there. I used a $4 register reward. Here's that $6 coupon, and a $3 for the Colgate, $7.40 there. And then I used $5 in Walgreens cash, pay the $2.40 out of pocket. And then I did get back the the $4 manufacturer coupon and the $6 one, as well as the $4 store coupon there. What else did I do today? Let me just show you guys what else I picked up. All right, y'all. So I'm in my car. I haven't even unloaded these, but I picked up the Huggies, and I was really mad at myself afterwards when I realized the big boo-boo that I made, because these are spend 40, get back 10. But I picked up 3. I saw Lorena posted this, and I wanted to try it. So here's the Colgate Max Fresh, the Huggies. I should have picked up 4. Use the $5 store coupon, $4 register reward, and the $3 for the Colgates here. And then I went ahead and used 20 in Walgreens cash and then paid the $156 out of pocket. And then I went and submitted to Ibotta for $18 because it's giving back $6. It's glitching. If you can't find the size 1, you could just do the size 4 and it's glitching. So hopefully that comes back in time when I post this video so you guys can grab it. So again, here is what I grabbed so you guys can see if you want to grab the same things. The Crest scope here, the one with the scope, the clean mint, the whitening, along with this toothbrush. The other one, the super floss, along with the clean mint, clean and free, and Arctic Fresh. So this was today's transaction that I picked up. So all in all went well. So you guys run to the store, pick up what you want. One of the things Michelle mentioned in her video, I do want to say again, you know, when you call customer service, know that that coupon is still there, that you can use it again. So again, she was saying that that coupon is still there and you can still use it again. So if I still have the time to make it to the store, but I just want to make sure I have my Walgreens cash. But you know, do whatever works for you guys. As long as you're saving money, you're keeping your out-of-pockets low. As you guys can see, I paid $2.40 there, and if I had a $3 coupon, I could have thrown that in, but I didn't. So, but yeah, these are still working. $6 here, $4 there, store coupons. And like I said yesterday, I did not roll the store coupon on this transaction because actually I did. I used a $5. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I just used a $4. But I could have used a $5 store coupon and not the same $4 one. So anyways, I'm going on. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.